Hi guys, today I'm going to be explaining you how to send personal information without having to uh, waste too much time sending those letters to each bureau, because if you're using Client Dispute Manager, you know that you will have to send those separately. I have a quick way to do it, so let me show you. If you have your client, this is someone I created, you go to Dispute and then you go to Credit Bureau. If you want to send a personal information letter, you will have to click here in personal information fix. But first, you will have to consider that you will need to modify that letter into the letter vault. You will have to go there first and go to personal information fix and modify that letter if you want to use it. So I have my own. I modify it, but you can use the one that they have. So basically, you're gonna click here. After you click, you will see that you'll be able to see the three bureaus checked. But what happens that, as you know, that when you go to your credit monitoring, sometimes the personal information is different. So you will have to, for example, put something for Equifax and something different for Experian and TransUnion. But if you do it separately, you will have to click on print and this letter will go out first, and then you will have to go back to client, and then you will have to do this process again. So something I do is I let everything like this. I let the all the bureaus checked, and I will write this. For example, of course, I will copy the information from the credit monitoring. If, for example, the name is wrong, I will put whatever I have to say. Joe Doe is not my name. This is the reason that I am just putting here, not the letter, just the reason and what I need them to do. So Joe Doe is not my name. Please delete it immediately. But here I will put TransUnion. Then sometimes the birthday, sometimes the employer. So HM is not my employer. Please remove it. I mean, you can do it differently. This is just an example. But Experian, and then I will put something different here, but I'm just gonna copy here. Maybe I'll add a Joe Wright is not my name, and then I will put here Equifax, and I will put the same Joe Doe, different. So as I have everything like this, I will click print, then it will take me to the print. As you know, you will see one for Equifax, one for TransUnion, and one for Experian. I will just go to edit the letter. There's my letter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to find, you see, I put Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. This is a letter addressed to Equifax. So I'm going to find just the reason for Equifax, which is here, and I'm going to remove the one that is before. And there you have it. So you just have to click on save or modify anything that you want to modify. But you will only have the reason and the instruction for Equifax. Then you will just click here on save. it will take you back to the list. Then here, click again, and you will, this is for TransUnion, so you will just have to remove, you will see TransUnion here. You have to delete that, TransUnion, of course. Just leave the thing that you want to, uh, the reason and the instruction, and then you will remove that Experian and Equifax. And then you just click on save and do the same for each one. Because if you do it individually, you will spend a lot of time doing it, and you can easily do it like this. I hope this video helps someone, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.